Hi friends, Dr. Rick Nation here. God can restore what seems broken. He can. Have you given up on a relationship? Well, let me encourage you, don't give up yet. Joel 2:25 says, "And I will restore the years the locusts have eaten." One of the things I know about our God is He is a restoration God. I've seen God in my own personal life and in the lives of thousands of people I've been privileged to minister to and help restore relationships. He is in the restoration business. That's what life is all about, is God bringing restoration and healing. You see, what looks impossible to you is possible with Him. And let me encourage you, keep praying, keep believing, keep trusting. Your story isn't over. The relationship isn't over. God is still writing the next chapter. Friends, thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share this with someone whom can benefit from this teaching. God bless you.